Good evening to my PIATA members, colleagues, dignitaries on dais. Of course, I have to specially mention the most vocal. He said कि I am a top, but then we have an entire pattern tank here. And at the most, I speak in front of whom those poor listening people, they clap before me. And when they go before BMC officers, hey, I'm PIATA meeting la mi gelo navto, I am not gone. So this kind of situation keeps on happening. But this is the person who fearlessly, very vocal, and he delivers the judgments. He gets the injustice, he explains the injustice to the court. We say court, these people say court, correct? So he always likes to come here, and we, of course, we like him. And one should not miss his single word also when he will start speaking. Now, this is a techno-legal session, and I must congratulate our President for his uprightness and not to budge before any pressure to conduct this event on impact of Supreme Court's judgment in the assessment. We require a big applause for this President. There were hidden forces were trying to stop him. Please don't do this. PIATA क्यों ले रही है? Because most of the people thought that PIATA is taking this in the upper auditorium where there are 2,500 people. And when 2,500 people listen to such a Bala Saheb Thackeray of legal department, I think they will go out and do riots only, right? So that must be the worry of people, but he did it. I remember the similar kind of seminar must have been done before 7 years, where anti-corruption people we brought here to talk about. And then there was also immense pressure. But PIATA members may budge before BMC officers, so PIATA doesn't budge. Correct? Am I right, Manoj? So this is good thing which he has done. Now regarding this topic, this is very interesting that somewhere we get some sort of a justice and then we become happy. And there is a similar case which is happening recently. There was a plot where the building was dilapidated. Under 354, 353 notice was given. Owner didn't have money to demolish even. So BMC came and demolished the structure. BMC ने JCB लाके structure तोड़ा. Poor fellow structure gone. Tenant रास्ते पे आ गया. पानी काटा, electricity, सब कुछ किया उसके साथ. चलो दुखी बैठा था वो. Suddenly assessment वाले आ गए. तुम्हारा अभी open plot है. LUC भरो. 5 करोड़ का बिल दिया उसको. वो तो अभी पागल होने का ही बाकी हो गया. एक तो मेरा अच्छा स्ट्रक्चर था, वो तुमने कंप्लेंट पे डिमोलिश किया, उसको पूरा रेज किया, फुटिंग भी ऐसा तोड़ तोड़ के निकाला ऊपर. अच्छा मैं दुखी हूँ, अभी तुम नोटिस मारते हो मेरे को, क्या है? ओपन लैंड. ये ओपन लैंड इतना एब्सर्ड कंसेप्ट तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में किधर भी नहीं है. दैट नोटिस केम. देन आफ्टर दिस जजमेंट आई वेंट टू BMC. आई सेड कि दिस जजमेंट हैज कम. नो दिस जजमेंट इज नथिंग. हम लोग डरते नहीं जजमेंट से. लुक, आई सेड ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला है, ओका का जजमेंट है, इसमें इट इज क्लियरली सेड कि ओपन प्लॉट एंड LUC whatever is called is totally absurd and illogical. Until the building is constructed, occupation is given, then only you can charge. This is what is a common sense. You don't require huge legal mind for it. But to get such kind of thing delivered, there's a huge lot of legal energy was put. We got it from High Court. MCGM got 3 years, they spent time in Supreme Court. Now also they are telling कि until our legal officer gives us the guidelines, Supreme Court has no brains to give guidelines. High Court has no brains to give guidelines. That clerical person who is an assistant legal officer, he is going to give guidelines to the officers now here, how to do it. Can there be any big joke than that? Entire huge judgment is there that they don't want to read. They want to read a small पर्ची जो आएगा उधर से, उसके ऊपर they want to do it. See, this is what is becoming common. See, even if this is about your revenue, but you can't collect revenue at the point of knife. Building toda, vacant kiya, and again you are putting tax on it. But this is not the only thing. Kadam Sahib, this is not the only thing. There are a lot of illogical things are happening here. Lift shaft, 150 meter high, vacant. Every floor we are paying the premium. We are paying premium for the space. Open space deficiency, another idiotic thing. If my plot is more than 10 meters, there won't be any open space. My old colleague and partner, Ratan Balwankar, has spent his time in explaining again and again that this is absurd. You collect open space deficiency at one time only. No, that we are doing it. That entire DC rule is on one side and section 6 of discretionary power is on one side. In entire world there must not be any such DC rule that every person you have to use discretionary powers. So are they discretionary powers? I was sitting with some senate in somewhere when I saw there are 32 students post graduation, all are getting distinction. I said सबको distinction कैसा मिला, क्या है, कुछ problem है क्या? Or do you have entire world का IQ तुम्हारे institute में आया क्या? So everywhere every person is committing crime while designing the buildings. Everywhere commissioner has to use his discretion. What for? To collect the revenue. अच्छा, revenue collect करना. You want to collect the revenue? Built up area, calculate the money. There are software engineers बहुत बड़ा है यार. See, they had 300 का capacity. SRM, MIT, you take they have increased their software. Everywhere किधर हाथ डालो software engineer मिलता है. Is it difficult for you give the plot area, give the FSI? Easily entire amount can be worked out and on square foot along with the scrutiny if you take the money. Why make that entire exercise? Varat ka nikte sub engineer, assistant engineer, executive engineer, device EEP as an MC. And kya ho raha hai? Everybody is signing it. And what great thing they are doing is open space deficiency calculation. वो calculate किया, justify किया, 4C report मैंने बना के दिया. Sub engineer, what you say? I say concession in staircase premium, everywhere it is there. Every engineer justifies, every engineer says do it, do it, do it. This is a ritual. Why this cannot be avoided? हर एक आदमी का क्या है, सत्यनारायण की पूजा जैसा हो रहा है ये. बाद में वो कलावती की कथा और वो सब what is all this? और बाद में प्रसाद का दर्शन है वो अलग है. प्रसाद तो बटता ही है. So this is what I am telling. Somewhere it has to stop. Kadam Sahib, I think even architects may not able to fund your charges, but at least we can instigate you to do it, right? So many such issues are there where lot of injustice is happening, and like a very obedient and अभी client के लिए तो करना पड़ता है and all that kind of excuses, we keep on getting coerced. So this is not the only judgment. If we all remain united along with the builders lobby, along with so many things, I think we can get even entire DC rule can be challenged. MOEF, if you go more than 1 square foot, about 20,000 square meters, you have to pass that entire 36 chamber of Shaolin of going to this. Karate, ye, wo, sab ho raha hai. Review. In my meeting, I am seeing that members are yawning. Kya ho raha hai? Why this? In hospital MOEF NOC yesterday, that fellow is asking ki disaster management of workers, what will happen? Those Nair hospital people are saying, disaster, what? They are in hospital now. What is going to happen? What is it? People have to bring to Nair Hospital. I understand. इधर डिजास्टर होगा तो उधर ही डालेगा ना उसको हम लोग. क्या है, मॉर्चुरी भी है हमारे पास, कोरोनर भी है, क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है? So these are the kind of questions keep on happening. Nobody studies. Just for asking the questions there. When Mumbai ka entire DP and DCPR was done, have they taken MOEF clearance? Liya MOEF clearance? They have not taken. Which was must? Which Dr. Patil said ki why that was not given clearance. And there is a chance, high chance, that if we really make a good battle, entire DCPR can be set aside. Because no MOF clearance is being brought. For such a huge damage they have done. Just imagine there is not a single road which is not having traffic jam, because everything you want to convert it into FSI and everything you want to put it on the shoulder of builders. Road भी तुम वाइड करो, झोपड़पट्टी भी तुम हटाओ, रिजर्वेशन भी तुम हमको दो. टीडीआर देते समय हम लोग भी आंखें ऐसे बताएंगे ये टीडीआर मिल रहा है तेरे को, टीडीआर तो लैंड लिया इसके लिए टीडीआर मिल. बट ऑल दीज थिंग्स ultimately they make us chew our own fingers. Somewhere the law or court only is going to be a platform where we can solve the thing. The days are not in DCPR when we are doing it. We said create an appellant authority. Create somewhere where we can go and talk, and it should be third party. Now just see this important thing, that all other, BMC is doing two things. Ajay Mehta sir always used to say. One is providing services, and second thing is giving permissions, right? Now providing services, everything is contracted. But giving permission is not contracted. वो नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. There are IITs, there are so many people who can do better kind of a thing, better kind of a scrutiny, and within minimum time. See, if you add the scrutiny fee plus everything, that much builder is ready to pay. But give my work fastest. I don't understand why people are scared of police, because if I am doing some crime, I should be scared of police. But if my plan is correct, everything is correct, I have complied everything, getting OC architect trembles. यो फिगर क्या आएगा सुनो. डर है एक. So when I'm not doing anything, why one should be scared of BMC? But this keeps on happening, and somewhere this new generation is 100% going to fight on this, because this will not go. Or old generation इसने भुगत लिया, but new generation will be different. This is what I feel. Now, for parking solution, what can I say? The size 2.5 by 5.5 is the size of one parking space. That is the size of one truck. Truck का size है वो. इसमें मैं nano बिठा रहा हूँ. And if I am putting two cars in the line row, traffic and coordination tells me 1 meter अंदर distance दो. भैया क्यों? Because whenever it was decided 5.5 by 2.5, it has a maneuverability open space. It has a place for opening the doors. So that is the maximum size. But say no, if you are putting cars in this manner, you have to give 0.5 meter distance. वो ये गाड़ी कैसा है? बोला ये गाड़ी नहीं है, गाड़ी इतना है. But नहीं, ते माला पटत नहीं, खलास. You will take another case. So good Ajay Mehta कि they have put a consultant. तो consultant हो जाता है, तो we can get rid of that. But Ajay Mehta ji didn't put consultant for building proposal. Building proposal is very interested in इसका भी consultant, उसका भी fire का consultant, इसका consultant, और BP का consultant क्यों नहीं? वो नहीं होगा, correct? क्योंकि वो 7 लोगों का दही हंडी कैसा लगेगा ना फिर? That is not possible. So that will not be done by any consultant. This parking, mechanical parking, and these vendors are here. They must thank DCPR that previous rule, areas before 35 or 45, no parking was required. Now it is not. So parking is required, and that gives them a lot of business, right? Parking condonation, I think they should plead to the commissioner, you stop condoning, correct? So anyhow, somewhere we will have to put the parking, cantilevering in somebody else's plot, cantilevering on the road, everything you can bring it. Now electrical vehicles, I don't know. In Mumbai it is possible, but entire Maharashtra is having 50% of blackout and there is no power there. So when there is no power, no charging, my car is going to become a junk of metal only, right? So these three things we have taken now. I don't take much of your time and allow our thing to go ahead with the program. Thank you very much.